energy transition is unstoppable, but transition is not yet fast enough or fair enough. This is our moment of opportunity, and we must seize it. Today, we are releasing a special report. The report shows how far we have come in the decades since the Paris Agreement sparked a clean energy revolution. And it highlights the vast benefits and actions needed to accelerate a just transition globally. The clean energy future is no longer a promise, it's a fact. No government, no industry, no special interest can stop it. We have passed the point of no return. For three powerful reasons. First, market economics. In 2023 alone, clean energy sectors drove 10% of global GDP growth. Second, renewables are here to stay because they are the foundation of energy security and sovereignty. There are no price spikes for sunlight and no embargoes on wind. Renewables can put power, literally and figuratively, in the hands of people and governments. And almost every nation has enough sun, wind, or water to become energy self-sufficient. Renewables mean real energy security, real energy sovereignty, and real freedom from fossil fuel volatility. The third and final reason why there is no going back on renewables is the access. You can't build a coal plant in someone's backyard, but you can deliver solar panels to the most remote villages on Earth. I call on governments, businesses, and civil society to work with us to deliver its recommendations. Let's build a future that it is not only green, but just, not only fast, but fair, not only transformative, but inclusive.